We have all heard about the story of big fish versus small fish. Though large in number, the small fish, when scattered, are weak and vulnerable. But when they come together, their strength becomes formidable and they can fend off any big fish. Mutual fund is the perfect example that demonstrates the power of investing together. Every one of us wants to invest, but we hold back due to various reasons. Let's listen to what some of the investors have to say.
I don't have enough knowledge about the markets.
I have heard that investing in stock markets requires a lot of money.
I'm always busy with my work and don't have enough time to follow markets.
I want to save tax and at the same time grow my wealth.
I want to grow my money but do not want to get it locked up. There is one financial product that solves all these problems, and that is a mutual fund. Just like the coordination of the small fish helped them fend off the big fish, similarly, investors with common objectives can pool their money and overcome their challenges. This pool of money is managed by a professional fund manager who is employed by the mutual fund.
I have 10 years of experience and I will choose the best stocks, bonds, and other investments to invest based on your objectives. I will monitor your investments regularly and help you grow your wealth using my experience and expertise.
Over a period of time, your money invested is likely to grow and give you handsome returns on your investment. This will also help your wealth to grow.
Hence, don't just invest in any fund because it has given high returns. Invest smartly by checking risk ratings and maximize your return over the period. In case of debt funds, while AAA-rated funds have the least risk, their returns are also limited. On the other hand, an A-rated fund could have higher risk, but also has the potential to give you higher returns.
अब investing simple है.
Check out the top-performing mutual funds. Check our hand-picked mutual fund ideas. Check out our range of offerings.